So what if we want to just measure? We don't want dimension lines, we don't want to put any dimensions, but we just want to measure it. Here is utilities in AutoCAD where you can measure all the details. For example, just want to measure the radius. I select arc or circle, and then it just shows me the measurement. So it's not a dimension, it's not fixed in the drawing. You don't modify the drawing, you just check multiple details. So, or you can check all the details, for example the distance, the over here again, as I'm saying, I'm not adding any details. I am just none of these dimensions will be saved in the drawing. They are not modifying any drawing, we are just measuring. So different angles, different details, you can measure all what you want. So here you have if you want to measure the area as well. You have area and perimeter details, all of it. Over here also you'll see all the details that you're looking for. Then this is quick means it will just measure the dimensions, it will give you more details. For example over here, length, width, angle, whatever you're coming nearby, it will keep showing you all the details. This is very good if you are just like trying to like read multiple things together, moving your detail around. It can also be very helpful in reading some graphs in AutoCAD. So this is all in the measure tool. Area, volume, angle, distance, quick. What we are doing is all in the measuring tool. Even you have the area and perimeter as well, which is just by left mouse button you'll have it. So over here you also have more details in the measure tool, within the measure tool. So that's the measure tool. Then you have other utilities as well, like the calculator, where you can calculate different things if you want a calculator within AutoCAD. Then you also have different utilities, for example quick select, based on color, based on line type, you can do all of it. So let's click OK. Now you see all of those with yellow. Block layer type will be selected. It doesn't has to be the color, but the layer type. Same again, let's go again. See, it's quick select, entire drawing, multiple objects, properties, what property you want to select on, line type, value, which value you want, equals, or select all. Here you can make it by there, by value. For example, I just want to select these objects. This is good if you want to, for example, then make it all, change all the details of it in one go. You can do it over here. Then there is another utility which is select all. It just selects all objects, which you can also do by Control A. Control A also does same, select all. See, AI select all, done. Over here same, select all, Control A, select all, same thing. Then you have some other ID point style, some of these details like how you want the point to be, and those are some of the options we have in AutoCAD 2025 with utilities.